I get it. I used to be lazy and want to lose weight too. I mean, just check this out. What a jolly dude I used to be. Well, sorry to say, bro, but even you lazy dudes out there have a solution. Comment down below the most positive thing that you did this week within the first 30 minutes of all my videos dropping, and you might have a chance to be featured in my next video. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. The very first way that you lazy bros can start losing weight at home without really having to try to do a whole lot of different stuff, bro. Stop drinking anything that is not water. For real, bro, this is going to give you immediate results in your weight loss. You are going to stop consuming sugars in your drinks. You're going to stop consuming calorie-dense drinks that do not give your body any benefit whatsoever except your taste buds, because, you know, everybody has taste buds and everyone loves to, you know, taste some Powerade or some Gatorade every once in a while. But seriously, bro, stop drinking anything that's not water. And this is one of the easiest ways to ease into a weight loss journey or to start losing weight. So often, like, think about what you drink on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. If you say that you drink more than 1 can of soda a week, or you drink like more than 1 cup of orange juice a week, cut that stuff out. You will start to see immediate weight loss. Just be a bro. Get a gallon of water, bro. I'm telling you, that is your elixir, bro. That gallon of water that you're gonna keep by your side. Like, first of all, it's gonna make you look like you're on steroids, and who doesn't want to like act like they're on steroids, right? But most importantly, it's going to keep track of how much water you drink every single day. So if you can monitor yourself by keeping a clear gallon of water by your side all day long, you will know exactly how much water you're drinking on a daily basis. And your goal should be to drink an entire gallon of water every day. You will feel like Superman. And the second way that you lazy bros can start losing weight at home without really putting in too much effort.
6,312. Woo! Time for a good piss.
Is to do 10 push-ups and 10 body squats every time you go into the bathroom. Now, whether it's to go pee, to go poo, to do your hair. Bro, okay, listen to me. Every time you go to the bathroom, you're going to be getting in 10 push-ups and 10 body squats. Now, imagine if you go into the bathroom 10 times a day. That's 100 push-ups and 100 body squats. Like that over every single day, bro. You're going to start seeing weight rolling off your body. And it doesn't even have to be like 10 push-ups or 10 body squats. Like, you can supplement those for whatever. You can make it 20 if you want. But this is just a really good idea to force you to start working out at home without really having to get a gym membership or get any equipment or actually like expend a lot of calories that you don't need to be expending. If you can do like little workouts, but like make it a fun game, like make it a challenge where every time you go to the bathroom or every time you go into the kitchen or every time you put something in your mouth, whether it's like a cigarette or a piece of food or something, make it fun, bro. But this is such an easy way to start exercising. And the third tip that I have for you lazy bros to start losing weight.
Oh, bro, it's almost one. It's almost one. It's almost one. It's almost one. It's one.
Is to only eat between the hours of 1 p.m. and 8 p.m. Now, what this is essentially you're going to be intermittent fasting. And even if you eat a ton of junk food, what this is going to do is it's going to force you to only eat within a certain window of time throughout the day. So this will stop you from overeating, because if you're eating for 12 hours, you can consume like 10,000 calories. But if you're only eating in a shorter window of time, then you're only going to be able to consume a certain amount of calories. And yeah, there's going to be a little adjustment period trying to get used to everything. But this is definitely an amazing way to just implement this into your daily routine, and you will start to see weight loss because, one, you're intermittent fasting, and two, because you're probably not going to be consuming as many calories because you only have such a certain amount of time to eat your food. You don't even have to be on some strenuous nutrition plan or something crazy, but if you just implement this one thing, I guarantee you will start to see weight loss. Number 4 is to keep vegetables next to you at all times so that you can have something to snack on, especially if you keep food in your room or if you keep food at your desk, like nuts and stuff, like all these different unhealthy snacks that are just going to keep adding a ton of calories that you don't need. Replace it with something healthy, bro. Replace it with like some celery, replace it with some carrots, bro. Like, munch on that stuff. Like, oh, but I don't like carrots, I don't like celery. Okay, wow, well, grow up. Okay, we're older than 12 now. But seriously, if you can get a healthier supplement, that's such a dumb, like a stupid easy way of losing weight, because you're just taking out all those bad calories that are doing nothing for your body except adding more pounds. So if you can replace that with something healthier, then boom, bro, I promise you will start to see that fat rolling off.
Dude, and then there's a guy on YouTube said that I can only eat 2 meals per day. That's insane. Who's insane enough to only eat 2 meals per day?
And lastly, at number 5 is to eat only 2 meals a day. Now, this is totally something you could try out, and especially with that intermittent fasting style routine that you're going to be adding into your daily routine. If you only allow yourself to eat 2 meals a day, good luck trying to fit like 3,000 calories in each meal, because that's really the only way you're going to be in a surplus. So if you can set like 2 meals that are, 1,500 calories each meal or 1,200 calories each meal, you're only consuming 2,400 calories or maybe 3,000 calories tops, but you're only having 2 meals, so it's only going to allow you to consume so many calories because you don't have breakfast and then snack and then lunch and then snack and then lunch 2 and then snack and then lunch 3 and then snack and then dinner. Plus, bro, all 5 of these are going to help you ease into a real fitness lifestyle. Like if you've had troubles trying to become one of those meatheads in the gym, or trying to get into the gym and lift weights, or try to get on a diet plan or a nutrition plan, this is going to be the first steps that you have to take so you can start that entire fitness journey, bro. Like there is so much benefit that's going to come out of just taking the first step. But I hope you guys love this video. If you did, go ahead, drop that like for me, and click subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that bell notification. Go ahead and comment down below the most positive thing that you did this week within the first 30 minutes of every video that I drop, and you will have a chance to be featured in my next video. As always, boys, have a fantastic rest of your day. I love all you guys. Peace.